What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Pepe, which has taken a little bit of a dip over the last 2 days, as you guys can see, hitting red candles. In the last 24 hours itself, it has more or less fluctuated around its current price range. So we're going to be going through what is next for Pepe. Is it essentially getting ready for a pump, or is it going to start to drop back down in value? Or on the other hand, is it going to stabilize around its current price range? So we are going to cover its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024, looking at how high and how low it can go, and also looking at both buyers and sellers point of view. Is this a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it way too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it one to be selling, or is it one to simply hold on to before it potentially pumps up even higher and maybe getting rid of 1-0 very soon? So before I go into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Pepe, which is here in purple, and the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning gains in value are expected from Pepe over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. I'm not expecting any major pumps or bull runs or anything like that, but minimal gains in value. And also, does not mean it's not going to hit any more red candles. Of course it will. It is likely to take a little bit of a dip in between before it starts to hit green candles in the early hours of tomorrow midday, trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, is what my expectations are at the moment from Pepe, potentially heading up about a good 5 to 7% from where it is at the moment is what I would expect. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, so over the next 7 to 8 days towards the end of next week, now we're looking a little bit more skeptical. The blue line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line does look like it is going in a straight line. However, if you look very closely, it is just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning both the lines are again looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, which means more increases in value are expected from Pepe over the coming week. So by the end of next week, the crypto should be trading once again at a higher value than where it is at the moment. And what I am expecting by end of next week is for Pepe to have got rid of 1-0, guys. So heading over this price range here, 0.00001 cent in value is where I'm expecting Pepe to be crossing over by the end of next week. But it is going to be quite shaky. Do expect red days as well in between, where it's likely to take a little bit of a dip, just like what's been happening over the last 2 days, guys. It has been hitting red candles, but at the moment the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So do expect an overall minimal increase in value over the coming week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, guys. However, the fact that it is looking quite steep is not realistic. Understand why it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last month or so. As you guys can see here, over the last month it has gone up a massive 755%, guys, which is absolutely crazy. But again, just because it's done that, it does not mean it's going to repeat that over the next 2 months. Of course not. What I am expecting by late April, early May 2024 is for Pepe to have gone for an overall drop in value, guys. I know that's not some of you guys expected. However, it is cryptocurrency, and this crypto has done over 750% increase in a space of about 3 weeks, meaning it is slightly overvalued and needs to go for a price correction, which I'm expecting to take place by mid to late March and early April. So overall, I'm expecting the value of Pepe to have dropped back down to below the SMA indicator here by late April and early May. However, yes, I know that we do have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, so if somehow has an impact on the value of Pepe, I will keep you guys updated, of course, as much as I can to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect and what to predict. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level right now, and what I'm essentially expecting is for it to pump up a little bit higher, of course, over the coming days and potentially over the next week or two, before it slowly starts to hit red candles, dropping back down into the green zone and potentially back into the red zone by mid-year is what I'm expecting at the moment. But I keep you guys updated on a daily basis on Pepe's to keep you guys in the loop if anything does change, and if my predictions do change, I will keep you guys updated as well. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has dropped down by 37% in the last 24 hours, making it $1.3 billion in trading, guys, which is again a huge drop. Reason being is, as you guys can see, over the last 2 days it has slowly started to drop in value, meaning not many people have been trading it. A lot of people are also panicking because it's dropping in value, and all these days it's been pumping so much and so on, so most people are panicking, holding back onto it. However, I did warn you guys, do expect a little bit of a price correction, but I'm expecting it to hit more green candles next week, making it trade at higher value than where it is at the moment. So overall, for 2024, I'm not expecting any major pumps from Pepe. In fact, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value. So for those of you guys investing into it right now, especially for the long term, I would be careful with it, and I would make sure my risk management is on point due to the fact of my expectations on Pepe. Let me know in the comment section down below your predictions and your takes on this crypto. How many zeros can it get rid of in 2024? Comment down below, guys, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.